Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you remember Cerebras Coder? Let's dive in and see what makes Cerebras Coder so exciting. 1. What is Cerebras Coder? Cerebras Coder is an AI-powered tool that generates codes for web apps, components, and even simple games. It uses the Llama 3.3 model, which is extremely fast and accurate. The project is built on the Cerebras AI platform, known for its open source models and super fast interference. Key features of Cerebras Coder. Here's why Cerebras Coder is so impressive. Super fast generation. It creates complete apps or components in seconds, free and open source. You can use it without paying or worrying about limits. HTML, CSS, and JS. It focuses on simple, clean, and usable web projects. Version control. You can make edits, go back to previous versions, and even share your work easily. What can it do? Cerebras Coder can handle various tasks like building sleek, modern web apps, generating components for your projects, creating fun things like simple games. For example, it can generate a to-do app or even a game of life simulation in just seconds. Why should you try it? Here's why Cerebras Coder is worth a try. Fast results. You don't need to spend hours writing boilerplate code. Beginner friendly. It's perfect for anyone learning web development. Free forever. No hidden costs, no subscriptions. Cerebras Coder is an incredible tool for anyone who needs quick, clean code. It's free, fast, and built on the powerful Llama 3.3 model. Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on AI tools. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.